Good morning, students. So, in class 12, today we are going to discuss exercise number 9.3. Okay. So, first of all, question number 6. Question number 6. Okay, see. In this question, form the differential equation of the family of circles touching y-axis at the origin. Okay, so this is the origin and the circle which is touching the y-axis at the origin. So supposed to be A is the radius. What is A is the radius? Then this is nothing but A comma 0. Okay, so we need to find the equation of the circle whose center is A comma 0. Okay, and radius is A. So what is the equation of circle? First we find equation of circle. Okay, so x minus h. Hk is the center, x minus h, that means x minus a whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to a square. So this is x square minus 2ax plus a square plus y square is equal to a square. So this is cancelled out. So required equation is x square plus y square minus 2ax is equal to 0. So this is the equation of circle. Okay. Now we form the differential equation of this particular circle. So how will we find? So first of all, note it down. Now see the differential equation of this curve. I had already told you that we should use a constant as 2a. Okay, 2a को कितना अलग ले जाकर रखें वही हमारा काम आसान कर देगा. Okay, so you can write x square plus y square upon x is equal to 2a. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now differentiate. You get the solution. Okay? क्यों कुछ करो इससे आसान मिलेगा कुछ. What is the differentiation? Either numerator or denominator.
Yes, sir.
Or first you divide it, then numerator denominator. So we use numerator and denominator. So denominator d by dx of numerator ही पढ़ा था ना.
Yes, sir.
Minus what? Numerator d by dx of denominator divided by x square and this is equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
So afterward you get 2x square plus 2xy y dash, okay,
Yes, sir.
minus x square plus y square and this is equal to 0. Maybe this is the differential equation. See the solution, answer. So 2x square minus x square, that means 2x square minus x square minus y square, okay, plus 2x y dash is equal to 0. So this is nothing but x square minus y square plus 2x y dash is equal to 0, or you can write 2xy dy by dx plus x square minus y square, this is equal to 0, and this is our differential equation. Same answer. Note it down. So this is an easiest method to form the differential equation. Okay. Now see question number 10. Question number 10. Form the differential equation of the family of circles having center on y-axis. Center on y-axis and radius is 3 units. Same question, okay? Center on y-axis and radius is 3 unit. So this is the 3 unit, okay, and center on y-axis maybe is not touching, but because of radius, the equation is like this. Okay, center is on y-axis, x dash, y dash. Center is on y-axis. Listen carefully. Center is on y-axis. So supposed to be this is 0 comma a. यही ना center होगा. And radius is 3 unit. No problem. So equation of circle is x minus 0 whole square plus y minus a whole square. Okay. And this is equals to nothing but 9. 3 square na radius. So if you solve, you will get x square plus y square plus a square minus 2ay, and this is nothing but 2ay is equal to 9. So this is nothing but x square plus y square minus 2ay plus a square minus 9, this is equals to 0. Okay, this is the equation of circle. So note it down. Afterwards we form the differential equation. Okay, now form the differential equation of this curve, this family of circle. This is nothing but x square plus y square minus 2ay plus a square minus 9. Only one constant is there now. Only one arbitrary constant, that should be, that means only differential equation of the first order. We form the differential equation of the first order. So first of all differentiate it. 2y dash minus 2ay dash, and this is equals to nothing but what? 0. So a square minus 9 is 0 ho jayega. And now 2a is nothing but 2x plus y dash divided by y dash, है ना? Y dash. So 2 cancel. So a is nothing but x plus y dash divided by y dash. This is the value of constant a. Clear? And if you put this value in the equation number 1, तो थोड़ा बड़ा हो जाएगा ना. Equation number 1, we get the required differential equation. So putting this particular value in the equation number, suppose this 1. Okay, so x square plus y square minus 2 a की जगह पे x plus y dash divided by y dash into y. Okay. Now plus a square minus 9 plus a square, that means x plus y dash upon y dash whole square minus 9 is equal to 0. And now calculate it, you will get the value. Okay. थोड़ा टफ है बेटा ये, लेकिन आ जाएगा. Okay. Get the answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now see. या फिर बोलो तो कैलकुलेट ही कर सकते क्या? हो जाएगा ना. Okay, now next one. Now formation of differential equation is complete. Now differential equation, methods of solving first order and first degree differential equation. Okay. So now next topic is method of solving first order and first degree differential equation. First order and first degree differential equation. In this, there are three methods for solving first order and first degree. First one is the variable separable. Second one is the homogeneous differential equation. Okay, and the third one is the linear differential equation. maybe linear is deleted, okay, or homogeneous. Any one of these three is deleted for this year, but I'm just teach you all these three, okay. So first one is the variable separable. This is a very easy one, variable separable differential equation, okay. In this differential equation, suppose this is of the type dy by dx is equal to fx upon gx, gy, okay. This type of differential equation. Maybe another type of differential equation in which you just separate the variable. That means y should be with dy, function of y should be with dy and x should be with dx. So gy dy is equal to fx dx. On integrating both sides we will get the answer. On integrating both sides we will get gy dy and fx dx, okay. So this is the solution of this particular differential equation. So note it down, then some questions we have to see. Okay, note it down. Suppose we have given a question like dy by dx is equals to 1 plus x square upon 1 plus y square upon 1 plus x square, okay? Okay? So we separate the variables, so dy upon 1 plus y square and dx upon 1 plus x square. On integrating both sides we get what? Integration of dy upon 1 plus y square, integration of dx upon 1 plus x square, and you know this is tan inverse y and this is tan inverse x, okay. Here you see either we use the constant of integration as a simply c, okay, but this is of tan inverse, then here arbitrary constant uses as tan inverse c. This is not necessary, but in the book it is given, that's why I am doing it. Okay, so afterwards what? Tan inverse y, this is nothing but tan inverse of x plus c upon 1 minus cx. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, this is the formula for tan inverse. So tan inverse is operator, that's why it is not there. Y is equal to x plus c upon 1 minus cx. So this is the solution. This curve is the solution. But if you want, you can free here only. You just write c. This is also correct. No problem. Don't bother about the matching the answer. Okay. Just integrate and leave it. Understood? Okay. Note it down. No, constant is necessary because after integration you add the arbitrary constant. No? So this is the c. So either at the place of tan inverse you simply use c. Then leave it here. This is the answer. But suppose there is log y, log x, then you can take constant as a log c. क्योंकि वो कैलकुलेट हो जाएगा और कर्व आ जाएगा. आ रहा समझ. बहुत सारे बच्चों को क्वेश्चन होता है कि सर इसके आगे क्या करें, क्या जरूरी है? नहीं, आप क्या करो, यहाँ पे सिंपली सी यूज कर सकते हो, नो प्रॉब्लम. इंटीग्रेट हो गया, आपका सोल्यूशन आ गया. ओके, नोट इट डाउन. Now say another one. Tell me any other question supposed to be. dy by dx is equals to x plus 1 upon 2 minus y. dy by dx is equals to, tell me, dy by dx is equals to, dy by dx is equals to 1 plus x upon 2 minus y. This is na? Okay. So in this question we just 2 minus y dy and 1 plus x dx. Okay. And this is nothing but 2y minus y square by 2 is equal to x plus x square by 2 plus c. So simply this is the solution of this particular differential equation. Now you can solve the exercise, and whatever doubt you can ask tomorrow. Okay. Thank you.